In this video, I'm going to show you how to fade in Cubase. Now to do this, first you have to select your audio clip you want to fade. I'm going to select this one over here, and then you have two options. You can click on it, and then you can just go to the top left or top right, depending on if you want to fade in or fade out, and you can just drag this kind of triangle over here towards the inside of your audio to do a fade. So I'm going to start with a fade in. I'm going to click and drag this over here, and as you can see, that's going to make a fade. Same is going to go for the fade out. If you click on here and then drag it, as you can see, even inside these waves inside your audio, it's showing a fade, okay? That's how to fade in and fade out. But if you want to be more precise, you could also go and do it up here. So to do this, you want to simply click on your audio, and if you don't see this panel, click on the settings button top right and enable this info line. Inside the info line, when you click on your audio, you can find fade in and fade out, and you can change these numbers, and it's essentially going to change your fade in and fade out as well, okay? So that's how to fade. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.